Arbacena,
Passionate
the Passionate College of Camp 7 Elementary School, Mrs. Maritis A. Padayon. Respected principals, Pendleton Schools in the area too.
the Honorable
The Honorable Barangay Captain Roel and Largo.
Barangay Councilors, Barangay Councilors,
Barangay officials, dedicated teachers, my fellow computers, graduates, proud parents and guardians, guests, and dear friends. A pleasant morning to all. Today is a very special day for us. We are here to celebrate and say thank you. First, we thank our dear teachers. Thank you for teaching us how to read, write, count, and be kind.
you are always patient,
You are always teaching us and help us learn new things every day.
to our parents,
To our parents and families, thank you for your love and support. Thank you for helping us to our homework, bringing us to school, and sharing for us. We love you so much. To our friends, thank you for playing, sharing, and learning together.
you make
You make school fun and happy.
today,
Today, we are proud of what we have learned. It may be small, but we have big dreams. As we move forward, we will always remember the lessons and the people who help us grow. Thank you, everyone, for being part of our journey. Once again, good morning.